In the fast-paced automotive industry, knowledge is power. Empower your sales team with MAPO Sales Solution. Traditional sales tactics are losing effectiveness as consumers become more informed. To stay ahead of the game, we must adapt. Just like a doctor or engineer, your sales team needs the best tools to guide customers, not just on your vehicles, but also on competing models. With accurate, real-time data at their fingertips, they can instill confidence in buyers, close deals faster, and even upsell with ease. MAPO's sales solution provides instant access to in-depth vehicle specs, competitor analysis, service and maintenance costs, total cost of ownership, and trade and retail values, all in one powerful platform. MAPO offers you a digital sales assistant, training resource, quoting solution, and competitive edge, all in one. Empower your sales team with a sales solution where knowledge meets confidence, and confidence closes deals.